Yamaha not starting.
You want a quick grip?
Look at this weird fish. Weed whiting. That's so weird. Looks like a whiting, but it's colored like a wrasse. So okay.
Is that the first time you see that as well?
See, Daniel comes to Montebello and catches a 1 foot salinjing.
Okay, Conrad is on
Yeah,
again.
On again. Whoa! Oh, this is what we don't want.
The Charlie
caught.
Swimming.
On. Okay, I'm using a little micro jig with my young angler's rod. Let's see if I can get a coral trout on this. Yeah, they're trying. Yeah, looks like weed's bringing in something good. Oh, that's the one you want.
The one!
That's on! Yeah! High five, man! Woo! So what do you say?
Honda!
Yeah! Here I am, Montebello Island, with our guide Wade over here.
Hi, wait.
Hey, bro. Alright. And I'm going to use this little metal jig to try to catch a coral trout. Let's go. Okay. See, let it sink to the bottom. You do a little bit of jigging.
Land it right in the mouth.
Yeah, right in the mouth. Oh! On! That was fast. Okay, finally got my Montebello Island trout on jig. Okay, yeah, beautiful. Onsa. I'll let this one go. He loves me so much. He doesn't want to go. Onsa.
I got it.
Fighting something now?
Yeah.
What's that? Okay, is it what we want? Oh! That's our Singapore favorite, the Timun. Okay, otherwise known as Spanish flag snapper.
Onza.
Okay, now I've switched to heavier gear because Daniel just got busted off. So this is all wired up and good to go. Cast it out. Let it sink. Where else can you fish?
We're on.
Fish.
Onza.
Onza! I think something's big. Yeah.
Micro jig.
Yeah.
Tough wide up.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
giving him some curry.
Oh. Oh. So let's see what fish this is. Fighting hard. And I'm wired up.
Oh. Pulling some drag.
You can't see color. You can see the bottom.
Yeah, by touching your feet.
Oh. That. Able to see color. Chinaman. Big Chinaman.
Grab his later there.
Yeah, did you did. Oh,
Onza. Nice one.
Whoa,
I think that was one.
that's a Chinaman. Onsa. Woo, okay. This fish is a really hard fighter. Punches above his weight class. And we'll let this one go. It's a beauty. Check out the colors on him. Whoa, check out the color. Beautiful. Right. There we go. Oh. Woo. Back to the key. With a broken down boat and we're landing good fish. Oh, Daniel just burst his line. And check out what I just caught. Even though the boat is just broken down. Oh no. You may be celebrating too soon. Let's hope someone rescues us. Will you rescue us, Coral Trout? No? You don't rescue us? Okay, this is Coral Trout, Montevelo. On the engine is gone. Yep. That's the Kylan! My weather-beaten Leo, right? And my faithful young anglers with my little Shimano out for a final day of light gear fishing. Yep, good wait. Let's go to his secret spots. Gonna bite soon. 1, 2, 3.
Conrad is on.
Spanish mackerel.
Maybe Spanish mackerel.
Hey, got a Spanish mackerel on the troll. Check it out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What do you say? On trolling, and he's got a fish. He got something big. Look at it. Young angler doing his work.
Oh,
Coral trout on trolling.
check this out.
Onza. Nice one.
Oh, beautiful color.
Yeah.
So,
What do you say? On.
ah, live strike. Oh, oh, yeah, that was a hit. That was ons. Whoa. Ons. Done. Okay, let's go. You got extra sound system.
Conrad's on. Little tuna.
Strong, maybe a tuna. Alright. Mackerel on this tiny rod. Oh, look at the fish. Ons. Yeah, the jig fell off. Okay. Right. Ons. Nice mackerel. Off it goes. Woo. Yeah, you're pulling it in okay until down here and try that thing. Whoop! Right below. You're fighting a fish. Okay. Alright, yeah. Right. Look at this beautiful coral trout. There's another one out of so many we caught today. So fun. Ons. There it goes. Another coral trout.
On light jigging.
So many of these. Got it uncovered. Really nice to eat. But here we've got our bag limit, so we are very happy. Just catch on. It's quite fun doing light tackle in the Montebello, light taking. Lots of fish. It's a good fun.
Yeah. Good day out.
Yep, good day out.
Oh.
On.